How to get red fox showcase and grow a garden in Roblox. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about getting the red fox pet. You can find the red fox in the mythical egg, which is available in the pet egg shop. In the pet info, you will see the mythical egg has a 7% chance of appearing in the shop. If you have a mythical egg, you can have the chance to get a red fox. Other pets you can get from the mythical egg include the gray mouse, brown mouse, squirrel, and red giant ant. The red fox is very useful pet because every 10 minutes it will go to another player's garden and try to steal a seed for you. Keep in mind that rarer seeds are harder to steal, and the red box is so good because it can steal from other players' gardens. For example, if another player has a candy blossom, the red box might steal a candy blossom seed for you. This makes the red box one of the most powerful pets in the game. So therefore, the red box is extremely powerful because it steals seeds from other players' plots, and it is very useful pet to have. Hopefully this explanation was helpful. If you found this guide useful and informative, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.